Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. For this one, myself and Connor have gone back to familiar territory, which is Marazion. We went all the way from Marazion to the Penzance promenade on this one. The reason we keep going back is just it's like perfect for the one wheel, and because it's like quite a long stretch of road but also wide, you can sort of like you're free to pick up a bit of speed and do a bit of carving along the way. And then afterwards, to make the most of the weather, because it was absolutely scorching, I'm pretty sure my neck was burnt for the second day in a row that day, and my arms were pretty toasted as well. But we went to a place called Land's End, which is like one of the most picturesque places, in my opinion, in Cornwall. Unfortunately, the camera I was using is the GoPro 10, so I'm kind of limited to what I record. Like, it's mainly like shots of my legs on the board, but I tried to make sure I was like stopping now and again to film the scenery around us. But the good news is my GoPro Max, which is the 360 camera, which kind of films everything, and then I kind of choose afterwards in the editing where it faces. That's finally back from repairs after about a month, because I had so much trouble with just trying to get it out to GoPro for them to repair it. But yeah, that's back now, all looking good. Lenses are in perfect condition, so next time me and Connor are out, I'll be taking that so I can be back to filming like myself, Connor, and like the amazing area around us, depending on where we are. And then obviously if I got the drone as well to get some shots, it makes it better again. So yeah, you'll have to bear with me for this one with like the many shots of my legs, but yeah, it was just like the perfect day for it. I couldn't resist recording, so hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.